Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we got a little bit of update on the Apache build. So we got the front end torn apart. It's just sitting here right now. And we also got the Apache sitting in here under the cover now. And we got it all primed up. Still working on Bondo on some places and priming it. And gotta get the cow panels, I think, right here. If that's what them are. If not, let me know in the comments. We gotta get the steps done, put in, welded. And then still working on the Bondo and right here. The bed's just sitting over there for right now. And yeah. So plans are is we're gonna take this cab off and the whole frame's gonna get sandblasted and get spray painted black like I have here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's actually shiny there. But it's been sitting, so yeah. And try to get work on that. Get this cab done. And on the 55 over here, we just got back from a car show in Mebane, North Carolina with it. So